After all. Alright, yeah. Oh. And things from. I might use my 208. What? There's no point doing inspection by any hand. That's 6.2 seconds for one hand.
Challenge, which is so.
Hey, that's it.
Okay, so might be thinking, Kieran, this is unusual. You're doing a challenge. Well, why am I doing a challenge? It's because I want to show you what it looks like if you have very little practice but a great knowledge. Because having very little practice doesn't make you the best in anything, as I will prove in this video. So let's get on with the first challenge, which is
alright, 2 cubes, 100 at the same time. Scramble up each one. Also, this will be solved throughout the video. Okay. There's no point doing inspection, but I'm doing it anyway. What am I doing inspection for? Okay. Wait, why am I doing it? This is why inspection is important. I made this on F12 on the screen. Don't know why, but I'm not cheating because I still have the course solved on this cube. I might use my 208 for one-handed. Any hand that's not my solving hand. Okay. After all. Alright, yellow cross. I missed the parallel. And alright, nearly 2 minutes, about what I expected. Alright, so solving one cube one-handed. This is actually an official WCA event. With 6.2 seconds. Now, I do this event, but I don't like practicing it very much. So, yeah, let's see if I can go world record. Yeah. Okay, not world record. Already passed the time, and I've already done a double rotation. However, straight into last pair. Wait. Winter variation. I don't know, Ciapar one-handed. "37 seconds, about what I average." Alright, so doing one layer. So I don't do the beginner method, I use the CFOP method, however I can use inserts from CFOP. 6 seconds, that was terrible. Okay. So let's just go full beginner's method here. So I have to do everything using the same things from the beginner method. Wait, what? This is lucky. Hey, that's it. "27 seconds, that was bad. Let's just solve this and let's get on with it. Subscribe so that I can overtake the fizzing kangaroos. I'll be, as evidently shown in this video, cubing and waiting." Okay, see you next time.